Chapter 2, Getting Started with a Craigslist. It is helpful tool for people who are buying or selling online. So it is an helpful tool for people who buy and sell online. By posting or buying on Craigslist, we can get rid of shipping charges. So by posting or buying on Craigslist, we can get rid of shipping charges. Now setting up a Craigslist account. So now we will study how to set up a Craigslist account. First, visit their website, that is www.craigslist.org/about/sites. Second, select your country, state and city in subsequent window. So this is second point. Select your country, state and city in subsequent window. Then on upper portion on left hand side corner, click on my account link, which is below post to classified section. So then we click on my account link. Third is click on sign up for an account link on left hand bottom corner. So now we are signing up an account. So on left hand bottom corner. Fourth, type in your email ID on the screen and click on create account. So we are typing email ID on the screen and then click on create account. Now fifth, an email ID will be sent to your email ID from Craigslist. Now an email ID is sent on our email ID for verification. Now on password setup screen, type same password and click on submit password and login tab. So on now we have to set up password also. So on password setup screen, type same password and click on submit password and login tab. Now post creation of your password, you will be taken on screen displaying terms for use of this site. Now after creating password, you will be taken on screen displaying terms and conditions of this site. So this was point 7. Now point 8, for logging in to your account in future, just visit http://www.craigslist.org/about/sites. So now further login in future, we have to visit this site. Now ninth point, how to actually post an ad. First, on upper, so point A, sub point A of ninth point, that is how to post an ad. Point A is on upper left hand corner from drop down, select city and press on go tab. So on upper left hand corner from drop down, select city and press on go tab. So this is first. Then subsection B, identify the ad type you wish to choose your ad type from following screen. Now you have to identify ad type that we wish to choose from. Now categories option will be, first is community, second is personal, third is services and fourth is housing or jobs. So these are category options. So community, personal, services and housing or jobs. Then C, you would be required to follow instructions on sequence of screens. Now we will be required to follow instructions on sequence of screen. Now sub point D, once you have provided all required information, this ad would be posted on portal of city you have mentioned. Now this ad is posted on portal of city that we have mentioned.